Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's tutorial guide video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Walmart account. So deleting a Walmart account is not really simple. When you use other social media such as Facebook or Instagram, you simply can select the option delete your account and it will be deleted in a few seconds, but it is not really the same for the Walmart account. So simply follow through all the steps which I described in this video and you will learn how you can delete your account successfully. So first, open your browser and head over to walmart.com. Once you head over to walmart.com, wait for the page to load up and make sure you're already logged in. If you're not logged in, on the right hand side, click on the account section and click on login, and then do so by entering your email address, your username and your password. I'm already logged in, so on the right hand side, go to your profile and simply select the second option which says account. After you go to account, on the left hand side you can see many options such as personal info, your address, your communication. What you want to do, you simply want to ignore all of these options and simply search for the option which says help. On the customer service section you can see the help icon with the question mark icon. You can simply select on help text. Here you can see many options such as help topics with your new online experience, your accounts and payments, your on managing your orders, or your order, your returns and refunds, COVID-19, gaming consoles and others. You simply want to ignore all of these help topics, and on the bottom you can see the option which says didn't find what you were looking for, then simply select contact us. Click on the blue button which says contact us. Once you do that, a new menu will pop up on the right side of your screen like a chat menu. So here you can see the option when using chat, support chat never send sensitive information like credit cards or password. As you can see the option which says hello, welcome to the Walmart Help Center. I am Walmart's automated support assistant. If you are looking for help using the new Walmart site, this quick guide explains finding items, ordering fees and more. Since we are trying to delete our account, it is not here in the option which says an order, return or refund, billing or charges. So simply select something else. Once you select something else, another automated message is going to pop up which says choose a common issue from below or feel free to explain it on your own words. You can simply select manage orders, returns and refunds or accounts and payments. I'm simply going to select on accounts and payments. Once you do that, again another message is going to pop up which says I might be able to help you with that. Select an option below or choose something else to talk to an agent. As you can see, we have been given three options which says edit your account, your payment method or it's something else. Since we want to delete our account and it's not really in the option, simply select it's something else. When you select something else, another automated message will pop up and say you that I can connect you to someone to help. Before I do that, can you describe what you need in your own words? So you can type in your own words that you actually need to delete your account. I'm simply going to keep it very short and precise by saying need help with deleting my account. Once you type in, simply click on send and wait for the message to pop up again. Here you can see I can connect you with an associate. How should we contact you? You have been given three options. The first one is to simply start a chat for which you need to wait at least a minute. The second option is you need to enter your email, but they will get back to you only within 24 hours. So this could be a really lengthy process. The third option is if you're comfortable or not, is that they are actually going to call you, and for that as well you need to wait at least 1 minute. But for the purpose of this video, I'm simply going to select the first option which says start chat and 1 minute wait. So simply click on the option. Once you do that, you need to wait a few moments which says you'll be connected to an agent shortly. Please remain on the page while we transfer you. So what you want to do is you simply need to wait at least a minute before an actual live agent is here to actually help you with your account. So please be patient and wait until live agent has arrived. As we can see, a new pop-up message which says good news, our agent Prashant has joined the conversation. Hello, thank you for contacting Walmart. I am Prashant. It is going to be my pleasure to assist you today. You don't need to actually really explain everything. What you want to do is simply type in again by typing in need help with deleting my account. As you can see, another message has popped up which says hello there, I understand that you want to close the account with Walmart. Before I close this account, I would like to keep you updated. Once I close your account, you will lose access to all your purchase history and safe payment methods. This includes delivery, pharmacy, and photo accounts as well. So if you still wish to close the account, please let me know the email address and phone number on the file for verification purposes. So what you want to do is simply type in the email of the Walmart account of which you want to delete. So once you enter your email address, also enter your phone number for them to get back to you. Once you are sure that you want to actually delete your account, this process is actually going to take a while, so remain patient. Submit your email address and your phone number, and the customer care will get back to you as soon as possible. But for now, let's see what our live agent has to say. As you can see, another confirmation message from the agent. Thank you for confirming the details. Please wait for 2 minutes, your account will be closed. As you can see, the confirmation by the live agent who says please wait for at least 2 minutes and your account will be successfully closed. So this is how you can actually delete your account on your Walmart. You can do so by also submitting an email address, but we simply did it successfully by going to the live chat option. You can also give your number if you wish for them to call you. Now, if you wait for 2 minutes, you can see the pop-up which says please wait for 2 minutes, your account will actually be closed. So hope this video was actually helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, do leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have other questions, queries or doubts, simply leave them in the comment section below, because we will try to respond to you as soon as possible. Then if it did help you, then do leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we will bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in our next video soon enough.